Hey everybody, today we're going to go over the second worksheet for algebraic expressions. It's almost identical to the previous one. Yeah, pretty much the same thing. So alright, let's do it. So we have, let me zoom in a little more so you can see a little better. Okay, so let's combine like terms. So 3k and negative 2k. 3k take away 2k is 1k. And then negative 4 minus 10 would be negative 14. Okay, so 7 plus 1 is going to be 8. And then negative 7k minus 8k would be negative 15k. Okay, we have 5a, negative 9a. So 5a to take away 9a would be negative 4a. And then negative 2 plus 5 would be plus 3. So here we have 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 3b. And then we're going to go ahead and go down here. So those are pretty straightforward. So we're going to distribute here. So 6 times 10x is 60x, and 6 times 5 is 30. Negative 4 here we're going to distribute. So negative 4 times negative 5b is 20b. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. We're going to distribute this negative 10. Negative 10 times negative 7 is 70. And negative 10 times negative 2r is plus 20r. Here we have to distribute the 4, so 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times negative 7x is negative 28x. Okay, so 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 4n is plus 40n. And then we bring down the 2. So we have to combine these two like terms, the 10 and the 2, both positives. We're going to add and keep. So 40n plus 12. Or 12 plus 40n, doesn't really matter. All right, we're going to distribute this negative 2. So negative 2 times a is negative 2a. Negative 2 times negative 4 is positive 8. Bring down the plus 9a. We're going to combine negative 2a and positive 9a. So negative 2 plus 9 is 7a. Bring down the 8. Okay. We're going to distribute this 9. So bring down the negative 6b, and then 9 times 7 is 63, so plus 63b, and then 9 times 7 again is 63. So we're going to combine our b terms here, so negative 6b plus 63b, so negative 6 plus 63 would be 57b, positive, and bring down the 63. Let's see. Okay, so we got to distribute this negative 3. Negative 3 times 5 is negative 15, and negative 3 times positive 7 is negative 21n. Bring down the 3n. Let's combine our like terms, which are the n terms. So let's bring down the negative 15, I guess. So negative 21 plus 3n, negative 21n plus 3n would be negative 18n. There we go. We get double distribution again. Okay, so negative 9 times a is negative 9a. Negative 9 times 10 is negative 90. 6 times 1 is 6, and it's positive because they're both the same sign. And then 6 times 10 is positive 60a. Now we're going to combine like terms. So negative 9a plus 60a, that'd be positive 51a. And then negative 90 plus 6 would be negative 84. Okay. Let's distribute this negative 5 and this negative 5. So negative 5 times m is negative 5m. Negative 5 times 4 is negative 20. Negative 5 times 1 is negative 5. And negative 5 times negative 3 is positive 15m. So now we're going to go ahead and combine like terms, which is negative 5m and positive 15m. So that'll give us 10m, positive 10m. Okay, now we're going to combine these two integers here. Negative 20 minus 5 is negative 25. Okay, so we got two more. All right, so let's distribute this 3 and this 8. So 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. 3 times 7 is going to be positive 21r. 8 times 3 is 24, positive. And then 8 times 2 is positive 16, and don't forget the r. Okay, so let's combine like terms. We have negative 9 and positive 24. What's that, 15? Yeah, 15, positive. And we're going to combine the 21r and the 16r. They're both positives. We're going to add and keep. So is that 37? Sure, 37r. Okay. Last one. Here we go. Let's distribute the negative 9, and we're going to distribute the negative 2. That is a negative 2. Negative 9 times n is negative 9n. Negative 9 times 8 is 72. Negative 72. I had to think about that. Negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. And negative 2 times negative 3n is positive 6n. Okay. Let's combine some like terms here. So negative 9n plus 6n would be negative 3n. And then negative 72 minus 8 would be negative 80. And that is that. So hopefully that alleviates any concerns you had about these. Let me know if you have any more questions. Thanks, guys.